A Soldier's Beginnings, The Early Life of George Marshall, George Catlett. Marshall was born in 1880 in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. He dreamed of a military career from a young age. Marshall attended Virginia Military Institute, or VMI. He excelled at VMI, showcasing natural leadership qualities. After graduating top of his class, Marshall embarked on a path that would shape the destiny of nations. Marshall's early military career included service in the Philippines and the United States. He quickly rose through the ranks, demonstrating strategic thinking and tactical brilliance. World War I saw Marshall's talents shine on the battlefields of France. He served as a staff officer, coordinating complex operations and earning the respect of his peers. This experience proved invaluable, shaping his understanding of modern warfare. Architect of victory, Marshall's wartime leadership. As World War II engulfed Europe, President Franklin D. Roosevelt appointed Marshall as Army Chief of Staff in 1939. This pivotal role placed Marshall at the helm of transforming America's isolationist stance into a formidable fighting force. He faced the daunting task of expanding the Army, modernizing equipment, and preparing for global conflict. Marshall's strategic genius proved essential in guiding Allied victory. He orchestrated the mobilization of millions of Americans, transforming them into soldiers. He oversaw the intricate logistics of deploying troops and supplies across multiple theaters of war. His leadership was instrumental in key campaigns, including the D-Day invasion of Normandy. Marshall's calm demeanor and unwavering determination inspired confidence in his troops and allies. Rebuilding a shattered world, the Marshall Plan. With the end of World War II, Europe lay in ruins, its economy shattered and its people desperate. Marshall, now Secretary of State, recognized the urgent need for reconstruction. He understood that rebuilding Europe was not only a moral imperative but also crucial for preventing the spread of communism. In 1948, Marshall presented his vision for European recovery, later known as the Marshall Plan. This ambitious program provided billions of dollars in aid to war-torn nations. The plan transcended simple economic assistance. It was a strategic masterstroke. The Marshall Plan helped to revive European economies, fostering stability and democracy. This effectively contained the spread of Soviet influence and laid the foundation for lasting peace. Section 4. A Legacy of Strength and Compassion, Marshall's Impact. General George Marshall's legacy is one of unparalleled service and unwavering dedication to his nation and the world. He was a soldier, a strategist, and a statesman of extraordinary caliber. His leadership during World War II was instrumental in securing Allied victory and shaping the post-war world. His vision for a more stable and prosperous Europe, embodied in the Marshall Plan, continues to inspire global cooperation and development efforts. Marshall's impact extends far beyond his military and diplomatic achievements. He was a man of integrity, humility, and unwavering moral compass. He believed in the power of diplomacy and the importance of international cooperation. Marshall was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1953, a testament to his enduring contributions to global peace and stability. Section 5. The indelible mark of a statesman, Marshall's enduring significance. George Marshall's life serves as a beacon of leadership and integrity. His story reminds us of the power of one individual to make a lasting impact on the world. He demonstrated that true leadership requires not only strategic brilliance, but also unwavering moral courage. Marshall's legacy continues to resonate in the 21st century, inspiring generations to strive for peace, cooperation, and a better future. As we face new challenges in an increasingly complex world, we can draw inspiration from the life and work of General George Marshall. His commitment to service, his strategic vision, and his unwavering belief in the power of diplomacy provide a timeless roadmap for navigating uncertainty and building a more peaceful and prosperous future.